Xinghe County Muzi Carbon Company Limited was founded in 2006. Recently, 200 staffs, 20 senior engineers, and 4 international trade department, 2 factories, R&D center, technical center, as a professional manufacturer for graphite electrodes, fine-grain extruded graphite, double and cold mold pressing graphite. The annual production attained 60,000 tons. We have advanced American HAAS automatic processing center, according to customer needs, to order a variety of graphite products, including lithium, solar energy, vacuum furnace, and other industries for a variety of graphite parts. CC composite materials for aerospace applications. It has a complete production line, including extruding type workshop, baking workshop, impregnation workshop, graphitization workshop, machining processing workshop, and advanced testing method. The member of China Association of Carbon. It has obtained the CMDC of ISO 9001, was named the High and New Tech Enterprise by our province in 2007. Fine-grained structure anode obtains the National I-Invention Patent in 2008. Was determined as new priority developed materials by NDRC at the same time. The company has formed the production, scientific research, testing system, and the matched management system. The marketing network of product spreads all over the country. The products were sold to Europe, America, Southeast Asia. The product quality is stable. The credit is favorable. The product is favored by the domestic and abroad customers.